Hello, thanks for tuning in. Welcome to this video in the coffee grinder restoration series. So what we have here is a Kissing and Millman model 9445. Very nice 1950s model, very small, very lightweight, made of polished cherry. And as you can see, we're in the process of servicing and reconditioning it. And the issue I wanted to talk about is in here. So what we have is, as you can see, we've got a little snap top lid on the hopper cover. But if you look closely, you'll see that the spring is twisted round. There's some distortion here and the spring is only working on one side. This is another one. This is what it should be like. It should be even, no distortion. It should be snapping really neatly. So the question is, how do we sort this out? Essentially, you can take this out, but it's got to slide under. So it goes under here, over the ends of these springs, and you take it out that way. Problem is, if you're not careful, as you slide it out, the springs will give you two nice scratches right along your lid. So what I'm going to show you is how to stop that happening and how to do it. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need something to protect this while you're taking it out, both from scratches from the springs and also from this bush in the middle. And what I recommend is just use an old piece of this kind of plastic packaging. The idea is that you'll slide it under here. It can be a bit of a delicate operation. Always make sure you've got your plastic in between and eventually you should be able to pull your piece out. We can then gently reshape this. We can realign this and we'll clean it all, put it back together, and we should be good to go. And of course, the important point to note is that we don't have any heavy scratches on this part. So we're back again, and here we are. We've cleaned up these pieces, straightened out the springs, straightened out this bit a little bit. It's always a bit tricky once it's been bent. And now all we have to do is put it back in, and as we remember, we're putting it in like this and it's going to come around. So we need to, again, protect this top surface from these two springs and this. So let's do it. So there we go. Straightened it out, snapping shut nicely, all nice and clean, ready to go back on the top. Thanks for watching. Feel free to have a look at the links at the end of the video or in the description. Happy restoring.